Hi, everyone. Many people don't know how to identify cockatiel male and female. Cockatiel chicks molt their first set of feathers and begin to get their adult coloration at 6 to 9 months of age. Around the same time, you may notice behaviors that will lead you to believe a chick is either male or female. There are 3 easiest ways to know your cockatiel is male or female. Number 1. Markings beneath the feathers. One of the most noticeable differences between male and female cockatiels is the markings beneath the feathers. Female cockatiels have strips or circles marked on the underside of the flight and tail feathers. Male cockatiels, on the other hand, just have a solid color without any markings. Number 2. Head colors and color vibrancy. In the wild, it's pretty easy to identify the gender of a cockatiel just by looking at their faces. Male cockatiels have yellow heads with a bright orange cheek patch. Females have mostly gray heads with a much more faded or diluted orange cheek patch. Number 3. Vocalization, whistling, and talking. When it comes to noise production, male cockatiels definitely take the cake. Males are typically more vocal than females. They tend to pick up tunes better, and they like to sing them for longer periods.